Hello learners, welcome to Triaright. Today we have this module system. Java, there is a Java model system to which we will be knowing further. So previously we have seen what is a package. That is a collection of classes interfaces, and they avoid the name conflicts, and control access. So coming here we have the package. For example, we have the package form.myapp.utils. Now here there is a class helper, so to which there is a method assist. Here we have the println line which is assisting. So it will help us in providing the different objects that are in classes and the interfaces, and the different we have the different control. We have the name controls. We have the it will provide avoid the name conflicts or name control access. So coming here, why we use these modules? Now we have started using modules in Java 9 and 9 plus. So in Java 9, before now Java 9, there was Java application that was using jar file and packages only. They were only using jar files and packages. But there was no formal way to declare dependencies. We don't have any formal way to declare the dependencies on what functions or what method that particular function was depending, such as class path help, the managing library manual. They were managing libraries manually. So what is Java module? A Java module in higher level, they are the grouping or collections of different packages, related packages. They are the Java modules. They are the grouping of higher level. They are the grouping of different packages. They are grouping of related packages, which they will avoid packages it exports, and which of which packages exports and models it requires, and they have the different models. They have different packages which it relates and exports, and different models it requires. Now coming in, and that was introduced for better. That was also introduced for better encapsulation, dependency management, and configuration, and reliable configuration. Now coming on to this module declarations. The module declarations. Suppose there is a module info.java. Info.java is a class info.java. So module, there is a module my module, and which will export com.myapp.utils, which will export this package com.myapp.utils. So it requires java.sql. So it will be requiring java.sql for making interactions with this module. For making interaction, it will be requiring java.sql. So it exports package visible to other modules. They will export the packages that are in different modules, and that requires declare dependency on other packages modules also. So they also requires different dependencies on other modules. Well, and the basic structures of the module are basic structures of the module are files as files and folders. Files and folders, they have, and the purpose. So here we have the file module info.java. Info.java is a class, and in the module info.java, that is a descriptor that is compulsory for the modular descriptor. This will give the different classes that are in the module. So modular descriptor is also compulsory for different modules. Now com, myapp, util, and helper.java. This is a class in the myapp package. So their package, they are having the package class. They are having the package classes here. So other source files supporting code. Other supporting codes which could be seen earlier, which could be seen afterwards when we will be moving on to different programs and further structures. Now, how to create these modules? How to create these modules? Suppose there is a module project. Here you have a module. Here there is a project. There is a project. There is a project which has a module in. There is a project which has a module info.java, So it is having a further package from. There is a my app in the class, and util also and helper.java. This is a class. Helper.java is a class. And suppose there is different module form which has a package my app main, which are main functions, main of Java main method, and which has class my app main app dot java main app dot java. Now module-info.java. For models, we will having models my model. This will be exporting com.myapp.utils, com.myapp.utils, com.myapp.utils. They will be importing, means they will be acquiring the all of these. So helper class, they will be acquiring the helper that will be acquiring all the properties of the helper class. For using that helper class, for helper class, so we have the package com.myapp.utils and public class helper. This is having a helper class. So yeah, public class helper which has a method assist, which is printing helper assist. Is printing helper assist. So coming here further, we have main class in main model. We have the main class in main model. Suppose there is a package com.myapp.main, which you have seen earlier, and it is importing com.myapp.utils.helper in the previous, which we have seen previously. Import com.myapp.util.helper. So here main class is main app, class is main app. Here the class is main app, and which has a main method line public static void with string args. So we are creating an object of this helper class. So we are creating an object of this helper class, helper equal new helper. This new helper is a class. This helper is a class. Helper new helper is created with the help of helper class. And so if we want to use the object of that class, so we will be using helper to assist. Helper is to assist. As we have seen earlier, there is a assist method, assist. Helper, helper, and there is a method assisting, helper assist. This is assist method in the helper. So we are using this method of that class. So we are helper.assist. We are using this method by this. In this way, we can be using different classes in a different method. Compiling a model with Java. We are compiling a different model with Java. So here we have the command line, different command line. We will be following different command line. So for here we have the Java for the Java compiler. This is Java compiler, Java space /d, and this will be giving out module source path source name. This will be giving the module source path name as following here. Find source name, and in double quotes we will be writing start.java. We will be giving the name.java. This will be different classes name. We will give it different classes name here. And here /d out, it will be giving out directory. It will be giving out the different directory for the different classes. And module path source, we have the module source path where we will find different module sources. Now coming here, we are running a different model with Java. Now coming on to further, we will be running different modules with Java. Now Java modules /m my module /com my app, that was having the main class main app. For that, running the different modules in the different classes in the Java. Now, what is the benefits of Java model system? We have the different benefits also. Now, strong encapsulation. Encapsulation, as you have said, that wrapping of data and properties to the particular class. So, strong encapsulation, it will expose that what is needed. It will expose only things that are needed, that is methods and variables that are needed. It will expose only all those things only. Reliable, it is reliable configurations declared model dependencies. That is depending because of this configuration that will provide declare module that will on modules. They will declare different modules that are dependent on what function and methods. And they have scalable application. Better suited for large applications. They have scalable applications that are betterly suited for large applications. Large applications means you have a different applications that will be acquiring different methods and dependencies, so that will be betterly suited for them. And improved performance, they will have improved performance, smaller runtime, and because of this improved performance, they will have smaller runtime and manage possible and image possible. They will have smaller runtime and the images are possible. Now coming on to JDK modules example, we have the module name java.base. They contains core Java classes. Java.base, they contains only the core Java classes as Java language, Java input function, SQL. JDBC, this will control the JDBC automotive programming interfaces. They will containing JDBC, Java to database connectivity. That is Java JDBC stands for Java database connectivity with API. API means for automotive programming interface, and XML or Java.xml. That they contain the different XML APIs. They will contain the different XML APIs. Now coming on to the end, we have learned different packages, group classes, they help in code organization. As packages, they will that is a combination of different classes and entities. They will be helping in organization of different codes. Yeah. Now module packages, now this module that will be grouping packages. They will control export and dependencies. They will so by grouping these packages, we will be maintaining in various controls and we will be providing control on to export and dependency. Now app model or this use model, Java info to declare module database. They will be there are this module info.java is to declare modules database that will be declaring the different module to the metadata. And modules enhance security. This module also provides enhanced security in providing encapsulation and scalability and maintainability. By they can produce security by providing encapsulations and scalability and maintainability. Now we are coming to the end of the class. We'll be to the next class. Thanks.